Before we start this README Generator application, I want to point out that there is no document in the folder titled dist. The README that we will generate from this application will be written and stored in the dist folder when we're done. To begin using the application, we'll first open a fresh terminal. We're using Node, so to start our application, we'll start with node index. We're prompted to enter information about the user and the project. So I'll go ahead and enter my GitHub information, and my email address is this. I'm going to use a past project of mine to demo the README generator. That project was called the Weather Dashboard. But you can use the name of your current project here. I'll describe my weather dashboard as an app that displays weather forecast for a user supplied city. For installation instructions, I'll say open this link in your browser. Of course, I'll have to update that later. For usage information, I'll say enter city in the search bar of the deployed site, or choose a city from the history section. This will be different depending on your application. Then I'll choose one of the license options available. If you want different options or want to customize license information, you can do that after the README is generated. I'll choose MIT for now. For contributions, I'll say contact me by email. For testing, I'll actually show what it looks like when I don't enter information for one of these prompts. I hit enter and I'm alerted that I need to fill out this part. So I'll say no testing is required. That was all of our prompts. Now we see the console log file was created. So if we go back and check the dist folder, we see that a new README file is there now. We can check out that README in a preview, and we see that it has all the information that I entered about my weather dashboard project. At the same time, see the contact information and GitHub profile at the bottom. They're all functioning links. Here, MIT, there's my GitHub. And so there you have it, a demo of my README generator. Thanks for watching.